they had their own culture and traditions before the coming of colonizers. Their own system of beliefs and indigenous knowledge helped them to thrive and survive their lives and communities for many years. The scientific knowledge of Filipino people before the pre-Spanish times are already incorporated to their way of life, such as planting new crops that provide them food, in taking care of animals to help them in their daily tasks, and also in their food production.
The traditions of early Filipino people were deeply rooted in their indigenous beliefs, social structures, and daily practices. Despite centuries of colonization and foreign influence, many of these traditions have endured and continue to play a significant role in modern Philippine culture. Understanding these pre-colonial traditions is crucial in appreciating the rich heritage of the Philippines and the resilience of its people in preserving their unique cultural identity.
At sa usaping medisina naman noong unang panahon, ang kanilang paraan ng paggawa ng medisina ay batay sa likas na yaman ng kalikasan. Ginagamit ng mga Pilipino ang halamang gamot mula sa kalikasan para sa pagpapagaling. Kanilang pinipili ang mga halamang may halagang pangmedikal sa pamamagitan ng simpleng ritual o pagluluto. Ginagawa nila itong gamot para sa may sakit. At atin naman tuklasin kung paano isinasagawa ng mga sinaunang Pilipino ang liham. Kanilang isinusulat ang liham sa isang piraso ng kahoy o dahon. Ginagamit ang mga simpleng kagamitan tulad ng tusok-tusok o ukutan. Pagkatapos, isinusuong ang liham sa kalbaryo o posting gawa sa kahoy o bamboo para maipadala sa destinasyon. Sa kanilang simpleng sistema ng komunikasyon, natutulungan nilang mapanatili ang koneksyon sa kanilang mga kamag-anak at mga kaibigan sa malalayong lugar. At kung pag-uusapan naman natin ang tungkol sa kanilang mga hapagkainan, noong sinaunang panahon ng mga Pilipino, ang hapagkainan ay napaka-importanteng bahagi ng kanilang buhay. Ito ang lugar kung saan nagtitipon-tipon para kumain, makipag-usap at magsaya. Bago magsimula ang pagkain, mahalaga sa kanila ang magdasal bilang pasasalamat. Sa hapagkainan, mahalaga ang kwentuhan at pagtutulungan sa pamilya. Ang paghahanda ng pagkain ay isang paraan ng pagpapakita ng pagmamahal sa bawat isa. Sa huli, nagtatapos ang kainan sa simpleng pasasalamat at pagpapahalaga sa isa't isa. At tungkol naman sa pag-aaral ng mga Pilipino noong unang panahon, sila ay nag-aaral sa pamamagitan ng oral tradisyon, pagmamasid sa kapaligiran, ritual at seremonya, pagsusuri at pag-aaral ng kamay, paggamit ng simbolismo at diskusyon. Ipinapasa ang kaalaman sa pamamagitan ng kwento, mito at epiko, kasabay ng pagmamasid sa kalikasan at pagsasagawa ng ritual.
Liwalik naman like ang medicine. Medicine target various health issue like pain, infection, or chronic condition. Proper dosage and adherence to instruction are crucial for effectiveness. Culture refers to the beliefs, custom, values, and practice shaped by group of people. It encompasses language, art, religion, tradition, and social norms. Culture shapes how society interacts, expresses itself, and view the world. Beliefs in the Philippines are deeply intertwined with the country economic landscape. The predominantly Catholic nature of Filipino society has profound effects on economic decision and values. The Catholic faith often emphasizes the important charity and helping those in need, influencing many Filipino engage values from of economic assistance such giving charity, which especially even then during time calamities and crisis.
Good day everyone, I'm Andrew Mendiola, and today I will discuss about biological science. Biological science encompasses various disciplines that study living organisms including biology, biochemistry, genetics, and ecology. It involves understanding the structure, function, and behavior, and evolution of organisms and contributes to advancement in medicine, technology, and our understanding of life. And next is agriculture. Agriculture involves cultivating plants and rearing animals for food, fiber, and other products. It includes practices like crop cultivation, animal husbandry, and soil management. Agriculture ensures food security, supports rural economies, and promotes sustainable farming practices. And next is forestry. Forestry focuses on the sustainable management of forests and natural resources. It involves conserving forest ecosystem, timber production, wildlife, habitat preservation, and watershed protection. Forestry play a vital role in balancing environmental conservation, economic development, and renewable resources utilization. In conclusion, biological science study living organisms. Agriculture involves the cultivation of plants and rearing of animals for various purposes, and forestry focuses on managing forests and natural resources sustainability. Together, these fields contribute to our understanding of life, ensures food security, supports rural economies, and promotes sustainable practices.
The National Science Complex is being completed to provide a nurturing and enabling environment to Filipino scientists, researchers, and students in the basic and applied science and mathematics. Its successful operation is also foreseen to bridge the gap between the risky but potentially rewarding scientific research and development programs that are being pursued in the Philippine universities and the need of the private sector and other government agencies for faster returns with their precious investment. The Balik Scientist Program aims to promote information exchange and accelerate the flow of new technology into the country by strengthening the scientific and technological manpower of the academy and public and private institutions. The program's objective is to encourage Filipino scientists and technologists to return and reside in the Philippines and share their expertise for the development of the country. The Grants in Aid program of the Department of Science and Technology aims to harness the country's scientific and technological capabilities by providing financial grants to SNT programs to spur sustainable economic growth for the country.
Ramon Cabanos Barba, born on August 31, 1939 in San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte, was an esteemed Filipino inventor and horticulturist who made significant contributions to the field of plant physiology. His research and innovative had not only revolutionized the agricultural sector but have also had a profound impact on the development of STS in our country. Barba's expertise and achievements primarily focuses on the conjunctions of flowering in mango trees and the micropropagations of important crop species. Through his groundbreaking work, Barbas demonstrated the intricate relationships between science, technology, and society by addressing crucial agricultural challenges and enhancing the livelihoods of farmers. The first discovery is induction of flowering in mango trees. One of Barba's most notable contributions was the development of a technique to induce flowering in mango trees. His discovery is that by utilizing a combination of enteral and potassium nitrate, it was possible to stimulate and enhance the flower inductions in mango trees. This breakthrough significantly increased the yield of mango crops, consequently boosting the mango export industry in the Philippines. Barba's research not only had become benefits but also highlighted the importance of innovative agricultural practices in addressing food security and sustainability. The second discovery is micropropagations of crop species. Another significant area of Barba's research was micropropagations of crop species. Barba explored the possibilities of growing plants from small pieces of plant tissues in the controlled environment. These techniques, known as micropropagations, enable the mass productions of disease-free and genetically identical plants. Barba work in this field paved the way for increased crop productivity, improved agricultural practices, and conservations of endangered plant species in the Philippines. His efforts bridging the gap between science, technology, and society by offering sustainable solutions to agricultural challenges. Josefino Cacas Comiso, a prominent Filipino scientist, dedicated his career to studying and advancing our understanding of Earth, climate, and the impacts of climate change. His exceptional contributions have not only shaped the field of STS, but have also had a profound impact on environment research and policymaking in our country.
Vivian M. Darwin is a professor of chemistry of the Department of Chemistry, School of Science and Engineering at Ateneo de Manila University. He served as the first dean of Ateneo de Manila University, School of Science and Engineering. He graduated from Ateneo de Manila High School. He then pursued BS Chemistry at the Ateneo de Manila University, cum laude. Then he attended Wisdom University in New Jersey, US, where he finished his MS and PhD degree. What is a discover and contribution? Vivian M. Darwin. Darwin is a kilalang Filipino scientist known for his significant contribution to the fields of science, technology, and society. He is particularly recognized for his work in the fields of chemistry and his research on natural products, including coconut oil. Darwin's research has focused on the health benefits of coconut oil, especially its potential in treating virus and disease. Apart from his scientific contribution, Guerrero graduated with the BS in Zoology from the University of the Philippines, Diliman, Master of Science, Applied Zoology, UP Los Banos, and PhD Fisheries Management, Woodburn University, USA. He served as the Dean of the College of Inland Fisheries, Central Luzon State University, Director from Extension and Training Southeast Asian Fisheries Development Center, and Exclusive Director of the Philippines Council from Equating the Marine Research and Development.
Jose Behar Cruz Jr. Throughout this report, we will explore the pioneering work and significant impact that Cruz has had on the field of engineering, particularly in automatic control theory and system engineering. Jose Behar Cruz is a distinguished figure in the field of engineering, known for his significant contribution to both research and education. Over his career, which spans 27 years at the University of Illinois and various leadership positions at other esteemed institutions, he has made lasting impacts on the theory and practice of automatic control. Notably, his work in the 1970s and 1980s on the control of leader-follower system is regarded as a major contribution in hierarchical control system theory. Lourdes or Luli Jansoy Cruz is a distinguished Filipino scientist renowned for her research on conotoxin, a venom derived from a sea snakes. Particularly its potential for targeted medicinal applications. Notably, she is acknowledged as the sea snail venom specialist in the Philippines, demonstrating her expertise in this domain.
Dr. Enrique M. Estrella was recognized for his significant contributions in the field of pediatrics, specifically in neonatal hyperbilirubinemia, neonatal drug addiction, and his pioneering work on the detection of fetal exposure to drugs, tobacco smoke, and alcohol, and environmental toxicants by analysis of mechanics. Lily Ampatena is the Filipino scientist who discovered a breed of calamansi and seedless pomelo and discovered micropropagation, which established the banana industry in the Philippines. She is also an inventor of deep bud cutting in cassava. She was recognized as one of the outstanding women in the nation's service in 1998, Woman of Distinction Distinction for Science and Technology in 1995 and Outstanding Young Scientist in 1990.
Who is Marijo Panganiban Ruiz? Marijo Panganiban Ruiz was a Filipino mathematics and professor of mathematics at Ateneo de Manila University. Marijo Ruiz, known locally and internationally as an expert in graph theory and operation research, and her expertise is valued not only the academic but in different industry and sector as well. Gregory Ligot Tangonan is a Filipino inventor of the analog antenna for sending a message using fiber optics and digitalization for its processing. His patent is called stress beamformers, switches and method of making safe.
Who is William G. Padulina? William G. Padulina is a Filipino scientist and academic who has made significant contribution in the field of agriculture, particularly in the area of biotechnology and horticultural research. He is known for his work in plant breeding and genetics, and he has played a role in promoting agricultural advancements and sustainable farming practices in the Philippines and internationally. Dr. William G. Padulina has made significant contributions to the field of science, technology, and society in the Philippines. His achievements span various areas including natural products chemistry, coconut chemistry, and biotechnology, and research and development management. Dr. Padulina is recognized for his work in natural products chemistry and coconut chemistry. He has conducted research and published studies of these topics, contributing to the understanding and development of these fields in the Philippines. Who is Angel C. Alcala? Angel C. Alcala is a renowned Filipino biologist and environmentalist known for his significant contributions to the field of biology, particularly in the Philippines. He is often referred to as the father of Philippine herpetology because of his work on reptiles and amphibians in the country. Alcala's research has led to the discovery of several new species and reptiles and amphibians in the Philippines.